So I'm just gonna say this. I'm a BSB fan. I absolutely love superbike racing in any form. Seeing almost kind of the bike you can buy off the showroom floor, run at full tilt, full twist of the throttle is just cool to me. The Yamahas sound different than Hondas, and the Ducatis definitely sound different than everything else. And being a Yamaha fanboy too, this year's kind of cool. Or, well, it's always cool being a Yamaha fan, but Kyle Ryde, who races for Yamaha, is now the 2024 BSB champ. And it's pretty funny when you actually look at the point standings. It's 1 point. He beat Tommy Bridewell, who was right there on the Honda by 1 point, 487 to 486. And I don't know how much of the last 2 laps I can actually use in this video without it getting claimed or taken down, whatever. Well, so I'm going to try and see and upload it with the video at the end. So if you want to watch the last 2 laps, they might be at the end, or I might have to cut it up and kind of put it in. Depends on how this works. But I just really like BSB. Always has incredible racing. The tracks are super cool. It's always close. A lot of cool names on it. Peter Hickman that races the Isle of Man stuff. Like, you get a lot of different riders to it, and it's just I really like superbike racing. MotoGP is fine to an extent because it is, the big boy bikes. They're prototypes and they're going 250 miles an hour, whatever, But just being able to see like a superbike work where it's pretty close to what you can buy. Obviously, there's trick parts on it and little things here and there, and everything's customized to the rider. But if you see a, Yamaha R1, you can almost go and buy that R1. And if you really wanted to put some money into it, you could probably get it pretty close to a full race bike that these guys are running. So I just really like either WSBK, BSB, ASBK, or Moto America. Like, superbike racing to me is the more fun thing to watch. These bikes don't have as much aero. They've got to run what you can buy as like a show bike, and I'm a big fan of this. But like I said, I'm gonna try and put as much of it in the back, or at the back of this video if you want to watch the last 2 laps. Hopefully there's some there. We'll see. But in the comments below, you guys tell me, are you watching, or did you watch BSB? Obviously the championship's done now for this year. Do you watch World Superbike? Are you a Moto America fan, or are you just a off-road dirt bike race fan? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Did you watch any of this? Do you have a favorite rider? Whatever. Comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.
To start the penultimate lap of the race.
Well, you can't say that either of them didn't put 100% into this, can you?
They have left
brilliant.
nothing
Absolutely brilliant.
out there. It's been unbelievable.
Look at that, Tommy sliding
nothing
around.
left. Nothing left on the tyres. Tommy thinking about the move into Paddock Hill Bend and the lunge there. Tommy strong into Druids as well. Will he now try and line that up as he gets into the slipstream? They are screaming for grip down Paddock Hill Bend, and he's up the inside into Druids. No, another comeback. Kyle gets it. A twitch from Tommy Bridewell as well. This is fantastic. Oh, Bridewell up the inside into Graham Hill Bend. That is unbelievable. What are we watching here? They touch!
Oh,
they touch!
Watch this.
Bridewell now through to Surtees. This is the penultimate lap. Bridewell,
watch this.
Kyle Ryde lucky to stay on.
Unbelievable. That was nobody's fault. That was just 2 people wanted to be on the same bit of tarmac there.
This time, Bridewell a bit defensive into Hawthorns, trying not to allow Kyle Ryde a sniff at it. You have to take your hat off. Look who's coming.
Vickers is nearly on him here.
Because these kids, they keep on taking lumps at each other.
They've got to keep going at this.
You never know here. Ryan Vickers could come to the rescue. But we are about to start the final lap. What can Kyle Ryde do about the defending champion? He's got a lap and a couple of corners.
Both of these lads need the lap of their lives for this.
And you would not doubt that they would put that on either. Into the last corner to start the last lap of 2024. And it's Tommy versus Kyle. It has been unbelievable so far. What's in store here around Brands Hatch GP? Into Paddock Hill Bend. That's one overtaking opportunity gone.
He's gone wide. Can he make it in?
No, on the cutback, he can't quite get through. Will he have a look up the inside into
No, he won't.
No.
This'll be the...
Tommy's parking it here. He's defensive through these corners.
Yeah, which does that suggest, mate? Oh, hang on.
No, he won't. He won't do it into Graham Hill Bend. It's too risky. It's going to maybe be. Will it be another lunge into Surtees? Has he got the drive here? Coming up now. It's worked earlier on, but defensive again from Tommy.
Defensive. That's going to cost him time coming out the corner, though, look.
And now the drive for Kyle. Tommy Bridewell once again will try and go defensive here and make Kyle work for it. Kyle might not be close enough here. Let's see if he's going to have a look. He's got to. It's the last lap of the race, and he's through on the inside. Does he hold the line? Tommy Bridewell trying to get back through, and they're side by side. Big rear wheel movement there from Bridewell, but it's brave from the reigning champ, and he somehow holds on. No, he doesn't. He's wide. And will that cost him now?
It cost him time. It's cost him a little bit of time.
He might not be able to get close enough.
I don't think he can.
Oh, yes, he is, though. He's still going to give it his all here. He can't pull off his favourite move. It's going to have to be down into clearways.
Yeah, Kyle was defensive there. This is last corner stop for the championship. Last corner.
The winner takes it all here in BSB. There was a bump there from Kyle. Tommy's